हेलो गाइस। तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, तो लॉकडाउन में कैसे बड़े हुए तो आपको समझ ही में नहीं आ रहा होगा। तो आपको मैं बताने वाली हूँ कि आपका मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर ज्योग्राफी का बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है वो, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, क्लास 7 का है। तो गाइस मैं आपको इसमें बताने वाली हूँ। ये शॉर्ट चैप्टर है इसलिए आपको जल्दी से समझ में आ जाएगा। तो here are some how the what is environment. Okay, here's a definition. If you have book, underline this. Here's the definition. Their environment in its true sense can be defined all as the surrounds us. Environment in our basic life support system. We eat and the land where we live. It so includes plants and the large variety of man-made things which are necessary for our living thing. Thus, environment has both natural and man-made elements. So the environments are both. The environment is natural also and man-made also. The natural environment can be further bifurcated into two groups, that is, guys, IE. What is the meaning of IE? IE meaning that IE is that is physical environment and the biological. Our environment, okay, environment has two types: physical environment and biological environment. The physical environment includes all non-living things like land, water, and air. Because physical environment, but it's grow physically. It's physically land. We are not made land. It is not artificial. Air is also not man-made. Water is also not man-made. And the biological environment includes living things such as plants, animals. Man is the most important component of biological environment, who satisfies all required needs from both parts of groups of the environment. The two components of natural environment, that the physical and the biological, are largely interdependent, cannot be separate. Any major change in physical environment is bound to bring a change in accompanying biologically environment. The change can be sudden or gradual. For example, the development of soil takes years together that cannot be visible through our sense. On the other hand, some changes are very sudden, like the change about the occurrence of an earthquake or etc. So, fourth sphere of environment. Now, the next topic is fourth sphere of the environment. So, guys, what is the sphere? What is the fourth sphere of environment? That is very important. So, there are four spheres: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Okay, so what is the meaning of lithosphere? Litho means land. Litho means land. Atmosphere means air. Hydro, water. And biosphere, life. And the four are contained in Earth, okay, planet. Each of these is unique in its own way and supports other sustaining life forms formed on our planet called the Mother Earth. Let us understand the importance of its sphere of the natural environment. Okay, now we are going to learn about the topic is of this four sphere of environment. What is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere? Let us study one by one. I will explain. Okay, the first one is lithosphere. Lithosphere, the literal meaning of lithosphere is sphere of rocks. Okay, the sphere, the land also, and the sphere of rock also. The earth's solid layer is called lithosphere. The earth solid. You know what is solid? Solid, liquid, and gaseous. So this is a solid layer called land. Okay, and also called lithosphere. So now in atmosphere, the literal meaning of atmosphere of air. Okay, air is, you can see over here, air. Air is also important for us. Now hydrosphere is water and biosphere is life. Okay, now this chapter is going to be ended because this chapter is only contain this type of things only. Biosphere, lithosphere, very easy chapter is this and very important also. The question will come, you can see the question will come. Okay, now I'm going to explain you what keywords. Okay, keywords. The biodiversity, it is a variety of life on the earth comprising of plants, animal, and micro. So what is biodiversity? Where we exist. Okay, we all are exist like plants, animal, and microorganisms. So microscope, very small organisms. National park, a well demarcated reserved area for the protection of wildlife. It is does not allow any human activity. Oceans, vast expanse of similar of sign water on the earth's surface. Wildlife sanctuary, a geographical area meant for the conservation of biodiversity. Limited human activities are permitted. So guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही, क्योंकि आज मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, तो आज मैं कीवर्ड तक बता दी हूँ, बाकी सब मैं कल बता दूँगी. Till question answer, because value based and map skill is not important, and value based is not important, but map skill is important. So map skill is now I'm going to do that. Take a outline of world map. Take, if you have, then take out, and if you don't have, just note it down. That Gir National Park. Okay, where the Gir National Park? In Gujarat. Okay, and Jim God Park in Uttarakhand. Yellowstone National Park in USA, and Serengeti National Park in Tanzania, Fjord National National Park in New Zealand. Okay, so this is the map skill. You note down this. I'm giving time to note down. Okay, now the come in the tick the correct option. This video I will go from other Monday. On other Monday I will explain you with the question answer. Some question answers is also here. So friends, आज के लिए इतना ही. तो मेरा ये YouTube पे फर्स्ट वीडियो, तो फ्रेंड्स सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स को, जिसको बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है पढ़ाई, उसको शेयर करिएगा एंड लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा. ओके, और आपको अगर मोर वीडियो चाहिए, अगर और ऐसा वीडियो चाहिए, तो सब्सक्राइब भी ज़रूर करिएगा, क्योंकि अभी लॉकडाउन है, लॉकडाउन में कोई पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा है. पहले जो है ऑनलाइन क्लास से अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो और अच्छा है. बट अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा एंड सब्सक्राइब. ऑन अदर मंडे I will going to chapter 2. I will explain you. Okay, so bye friends, stay home, stay safe, and 20 सेकेंड तक आपको हैंड वॉश करना है. यू नो गाइज, अभी कोरोना वायरस बहुत ज़्यादा ही जल्दी से फैल रहा है. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू, बाय.